I said that the Britishers send his army. अब ये ट्रीटी के बाद भेज रहे हैं, पहले तो पीछे चले गए थे. Britishers send his army to Mysore, but Hyder Ali with his disciplined army defeated Britishers. But Hyder Ali with his I said that disciplined army defeated what? Britishers. And the Britishers was defeated. Understood? और ये रीजन ध्यान से देखेंगे, यदि मैप में जाएंगे, इन द मैप इफ यू सी दिस इज यू नो दैट चेन्नई, आई सेड दैट दिस इज चेन्नई और ये बैंगलोर, इसके बीच वाला रीजन जो है ये है आरकोट. दिस रीजन इज नोन एज आरकोट. जब भी वर्ड आरकोट आएगा देन यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज आई सेड चेन्नई, दिस इज आई सेड दैट बेंगलुरु, और इसके बीच वाला ये रीजन क्या है? आरकोट. तो जब इसने इसको डिफीट किया इधर खदेड़ा, व्हेन ही हैज चेज्ड हिम, एंड देयर आफ्टर दिस आरकोट रीजन हैज बीन व्हाट? कॉन्फिस्केटेड. अंडरस्टूड? सो आरकोट रीजन कॉन्फिस्केटेड. और ये आरकोट क्या था? वहां एक नवाब रहते थे, लेकिन यहां पे किसके होल्ड में था? कर्नाटक. इट इज अंडर द होल्ड ऑफ व्हाट? Carnatic. Understood it? Clear? Now, I said that first Anglo-Mysore War. In the first Anglo-Mysore, I said that 1766, Maratha defeated Mysore. Understood? And several parts had been confiscated. And thereafter, one peace treaty has been taken place. And after the peace treaty, what happened? Tell me fast. 35 lakh rupees has been what? War indemnity has been taken place. Half of it, उसमें से half क्या हुआ? He paid, and for the rest half, Kolar Goldfield. That is clear. Next point. Thereafter, who attacked? Nizam. Very simple. 1760. Nizam and Britishers attacked. In between, Nizam get the side of Hyder Ali, and then Britishers, due to the lack of army, he has to recede back till Tiruchinappalli by the Hyder Ali. Thereafter, we have been able to see that again. Now, third point comes that Britishers made treaty with the Nizam that you have to give me not Sarkar. You have to consider Hyder Ali to be as an usurper, and when we will defeat, I said that Mysore will have to punish Hyder Ali and we will take Diwani right. Understood? In between, after that, he sent his one of the army towards force, or what is a force enforcement towards Hyder Ali Mysore, but the disciplined army of Mysore, very well disciplined army, less number but well disciplined, and he's been able to defeat, I said that Britishers, and then till Arcot region has been taken. Now Britishers बोले कि अब हमें क्या करना है? Treaty करना है. Understood? And then which treaty took place? First Anglo-Mysore War? Treaty of Madras. Understood? और आपको पता है यहां पे मद्रास और ये रीजन. एंड देन ट्रीटी ऑफ मद्रास में बोला गया, हमेशा जो होता था, ध्यान से, जो हमने जीता जो तुमने जीता वो आपस में दे दो. टू रिटर्न बैक द व्हाट? डिफटेड रीजन टू ईच अदर. फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, प्रिजनर लौटा दो, दैट वॉट एवर द प्रिजनर दैट वी हैव टेकन. थर्ड, इट हैज बीन सेड दैट यहां पर आरकोट रीजन हैज बीन टेकन. So it has been Arcot region has to be returned back to the Nawab of Arcot. वो भी कर दिया गया. लेकिन ये final line, listen me, it is very much important. So when I'll be in war with someone, Maratha, Nizam and anyone, at that time you will come to help me. And you are in the war with someone, then I'll come to what? Help you in the war. This is the Treaty of Madras. Treaty of Madras में क्या था? प्रिजनर्स का एक्सचेंज करना, रीजन का एक्सचेंज करना. दो चीज हमेशा एक्सचेंज होते थे, प्रिजनर्स एंड रीजन्स. अंडरस्टूड? इसका मतलब क्या है? स्टेटस को. What is the meaning of it? That we have to maintain the same situation as before the war. Status quo means prisoners भी आप retain कर दें, and then what you have to do? Yes, tell me. Reasons you have to return back. लेकिन इसमें नया क्या था? नवाब आरकोट को अपना वो लैंड दो. Another that it is there. It is what? When I'll be in the war, you have to help me, and when you will be in the war, I will help you. Understood? ये सबसे बड़ा कारण है सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, सॉरी सेकेंड एंग्लो मैसूर वॉर. Understood this? So I said that this is the Treaty of Madras. यदि पूछा जाए what is the significance of first Anglo-Mysore war? Write down a question. Evaluate first Anglo-Mysore war. Evaluate first Anglo-Mysore war as a establishment of British Empire in India. Yes. इसमें आपको सारा कुछ सेम डिस्कस करना है कि लास्ट में जो आना है. So through the Treaty of Madras, whatever the status quo situation has been brought up, and that has not been followed by Britishers. That has not been followed by, because they are only interested in the what is increasing their own territory. Understood? They are highly, I said that mean kind of traders in which where their benefit is there, they are at the side of it. Understood? So आपको ये देखना है कि जो सेकेंड एंग्लो मैसूर वॉर है वो आपको बताएगा कि yes what kind of situation is there. Understood? And then already इसने अभी इस समय कोई एम्पायर खड़ा तो नहीं कर लिया, लेकिन he has given some kind of intuition to the Mysore. Okay, what is the meaning of it? Now that we are moving towards 1770 to 1780, 10 years, जब when there was no war in between. Anyone? So I said that period between लिख लेंगे period between first Anglo-Mysore war, period between first Anglo-Mysore war, period between first Anglo-Mysore war and second Anglo-Mysore war, period between first Anglo-Mysore war and second Anglo-Mysore war. Is it clear? And ये कौन सा पीरियड होगा? 67 to 69 it is first Anglo-Mysore war. Yes, and second Anglo-Mysore war from 1780 to 84. So we have to see from the 1770 to 1780. You know that this is a Mysore Empire, and this is a Maratha Empire, and this is Mysore. Okay, no? And then I am coming here 1770. What happened? In 1770, what happened? I said that in 1717 at the border of Mysore and Maratha, at the border of, हमेशा picture जरूर बनाएंगे, diagram will give you more marks. Again I said that diagram will give you more marks. I said that in 1770 at the border of, in 1770 at the border of Mysore and Maratha, ध्यान से, Mysore, that what happened? लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? कहां पे? On which? Border of Mysore and Maratha. मैसूर एम्पायर ने क्या करने लगा, ही स्टार्टेड टेकिंग ट्रिब्यूट. ट्रिब्यूट समझते हो, जब आप मेरे अंदर में आ गए और आप अपने सेफ्टी के लिए मुझे पैसे देते हो, दैट इज नॉन एज द ट्रिब्यूट. And then what he has started taking at the border of Mysore and Maratha, Mysore Empire started taking tribute from the Maratha. Tribute from the, इससे मराठा क्या हो जाएगा, गुस्से में आ जाएगा. लेकिन ये गलत सोच रहा था, ये सोच रहा था मैं लड़ाई करूंगा तो ब्रिटिश से हेल्प करने के लिए आएगा. ध्यान से देखो, इसीलिए बोला कि इसका सिग्निफिकेंस आपको बाद में समझ में आएगा कि हाउ टू इवैल्यूएट. अंडरस्टूड? सो ही स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग. Then I said that taking the tribute from here, and then Maratha with the 30,000 enforcement attacked Mysore, and then most of the Mysore empire was confiscated. In between, when the war started, he started reminding Britishers Treaty of Madras that come and help me, come and help me. But he did not answer initially, did not given concern to this. Then third one, what happened? He did not concern, and then after that he said that, okay, I will go with you to fight along with you, but there are some condition. And Hyder Wali was not ready with that condition. And this is the time the Hyder Ali become enemy forever till his death. And then Tipu Sultan also become enemy with the what? Britishers. And इसके बाद कभी नहीं हुआ. And this is the time, और उसके बाद again Mysore has to do peace treaty with Maratha. And this time it is 50 lakhs. How much? In which I said meant around 50 lakhs. 34 lakhs तो उन्हें तुरंत देना पड़ा. And 14 lakhs he has to give as an annual tribute. कुछ साल के लिए मुझे देना पड़ेगा as an annual tribute. So it was one of the greatest loss to the one of the disciplined army. So and Maratha के साथ उसके पास बहुत सारा force था. He has a great force. You can't go against it. So I write down. After the first Anglo-Mysore War, at the border of Mysore and Maratha, Empire, Mysore kingdom started taking tribute. Mysore kingdom started taking tribute from Maratha region. Change the para. In such situation, Maratha Empire with 30,000 enforcement, attacked 30,000 enforcement attacked Mysore, and most of the Mysore kingdom has been taken over. But during this war, Hyder Ali on the basis of Treaty of Madras, asked British Empire in India to provide help in the war. To provide help in the war. Change the para. Such request by Haider Ali, such request by Haider Ali has not been given concern in the initial period, but Haider Ali continued asking for assistance then British Empire put some condition for the help. British Empire put some condition for the help. But for